The day's finally here. We're gonna go pick up my hypercar and we're gonna go pick it up at a McLaren dealership. Now, because of the first car, we had a plan. We were gonna hide the car and we're gonna wrap it and all these things. But honestly, because the McLaren dealership has been so nice to us and helped us with a few things, we didn't have to do that. And now we still wanna have some fun. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go pick up the car. Fargizi, Buddy, Sergio, and myself, we're all gonna dress up and we're gonna put masks on. And Farsh is gonna be in a wheelchair and we're gonna pretend that those people are buying the car. I don't know why, but I think it's gonna be fun as fuck, so let's go. And it is part of our plan to be incognito, so we're gonna take Corey's Altima. Farshat, how you feeling? How you feeling? Are you getting into character?
Corey has in the back of his car. What is going on?
I don't know, dude.
Like that?
Let's just go. I was forgetting the check, so we're heading back right now to grab the check. Holy shit! We got it! Filming in Urus, we just realized that's Jeffree Star in it. By the way, it's coming right here, right again. Ready? That's Jeffree Star.
By the way, it was meant to be for him to be a star.
Yeah.
No, honestly, right?
Hey, the car has a great presence on the road, man. I love the way it looks. I think, yeah, Belen might want her G63, which I'm still gonna do everything I can, again, to stop her from it and get an Urus, but I think I can do with an Urus.
Should we start the propaganda on the E63 and just be like, we heard there's problems with it. I thought it was a good call for it. That's a great call.
I ain't doing that shit. Someone's just coming out of Spanky's.
And it's a
hey, we're here at Spanky's getting our masks. That's right, they're going to be sex masks. And a lot of people might wonder, Spanky the
choking
monkey.
the chicken.
He's choking the chicken.
Waxing
the rocket, dude. Oh my God. What a place.
Look at this one. This got a Middle Eastern one. Charming the...
He's charming the snake, dude.
What is she
doing?
Rubbing ball? What is she
Oh,
doing?
she's rubbing balls.
Look, this guy's beating the meat.
My God, guys, if you're ever around this area, look up Spanky's. This looks pretty good. We're gonna go inside and buy some sex masks. Why? Because I think it'd be funnier to wear those than ski masks, right?
Wait, there's a lot of women in here. Let's go.
Let's holy shit. Incredible. It really is. Unreal.
It's unique. Well, you've had 50 years to work on it. Yeah. I hope we would have got it right.
This was awesome, actually, and the people inside were awesome. So you guys are gonna have to guess. One of us is gonna be wearing this one, and the rest will be wearing these. I guess we'll see who's wearing what really soon. Let's go get you your wheelchair.
What are you gonna tell Belen when she sees the credit card statement?
ridiculousness keeps going because we came all the way to Disneyland to rent a wheelchair. We couldn't get any wheelchair anywhere else, which seems to be a problem to me because I feel like people would need wheelchairs more than this, but either way, for our joke, this is gonna totally work, and I can't fucking wait to have Farshad on that wheelchair.
I need a wheelchair so I don't have to wait in line in Disneyland. Yeah, something I would.
Hey, we got the wheelchair, we're ready to go. It barely can handle Farshad. We got a warning about the wheelchair. What was the warning about?
No, wait, he said, how much do you weigh? And I was like, 235, 240. He's like, ooh!
That's right on the limit. That's what he said.
We're on the limit.
Okay, so we're, to help with that weight, we're gonna go get something to eat right now.
Yes,
and
yes.
because it's such a special day, I just want something special, easy, simple and I think Houston's is, what do you think?
Let's do it.
Yeah, buddy, put it in the ways. Now don't worry, it's not a Ferrari, We're going to McLaren, but we stopped here for two things. One, another picture to troll you guys on Instagram, and I'm so sorry, I'm having so much fun with this because I can't believe any of you really thought I'd buy a Ferrari. It makes no sense in my head. I told you how shitty they are, right?
Not even a LaFerrari.
No, we're gonna put on the mask. So I'm gonna get out of the car, get your mask, we have your wheelchair. We're all ready, you ready?
Let's do this.
What do you think, Fergini?
This is really
Or,
weird.
I'm sorry, Uncle Hazim.
Okay, here we go. Here we go, you ready?
Yep. You look like a walking punching bag. You look like a speed bag. Ali?
Oh. So the only time Farshad will talk, we'll have to whisper to me in my ear because people will know our voices, and I'm obviously going to put on an accent. So that's mostly what you're going to be doing. Farshad will be playing Uncle Hazim, and I'll be playing Nidal. Just a bunch of Arab foreigners that care about cars and are here to purchase cars.
Uncle Hazim, you've never looked better.
I'm ready for mine.
By the way, we're also outside a jewelry store right now putting on black mask.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God.
We can't be doing that. Cannot be doing that.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Most people will know it's me. What do you think?
No one will know.
No,
It looks
no-
really weird. I can't look at you straight. I can't look at you in the eyes.
Your
It's
soul
weird.
patch is sticking out.
What do you think? Buddy, what do you think?
I think this is an amazing look.
Okay,
You
good.
should wear this to Christmas dinner.
Let's go. I think I'm ready to pick up the car. Guys, I got your masks.
Mine's made by Cookie.
I am putting my sunglasses on.
small.
Oh yeah, they're tight, Sergio.
This is real.
Oh man.
We gotta go.
I just ripped
We
mine.
gotta go. There you go, buddy. No one will know it's you. No one.
Buddy, that's the mouth hole.
That's the mouth hole, dude. Keep going down.
Go down any further.
Come on. There you go.
There you go.
I can't see it.
Come here, Uncle Hazim. Come on. Just right here. Uncle Hazim. This woman is really terrified of us. How are you? Nick, I need some products for my uncle. Thank you. Sorry, Uncle Hazim. Let me move Uncle Hazim. Okay? It's okay, Uncle Hazim. It's okay, Uncle Hazim. This is important
unpleasant times for us. A lot of people are ready to deal with the royal family. Uncle Hazim, thank you, Uncle Hazim. Here's your check, and we're gonna be missing $1, Uncle Hazim. Do you have $1? Uncle Hazim got a receipt for his dollar. Uncle Hazim, would you like some water?
Just zip it.
Here, let me unsip you, Uncle Hazim. There you go. Let me give you your water. Is that good, Uncle Hazim? Please close it. Thank you.
Should we go look at the car?
Please, absolutely. Uncle Hazim. Yeah, with the heart.
No.
I would like to jump up and down in pleasure for seeing this. I just want to say, if I was somebody else, I would cream my pants right now. They must put car out right now, and we're gonna take home. We'll put Uncle Hazim in car, we'll go home.
Hold on, I'm gonna need your help. I don't want to mess the car up.
Take off the mask, you're good.
Okay, what's the best way to get in this?
First, swing your legs. You
So,
got like those fucking old Magoo shoes on, so you're not gonna hurt anything.
Left legs, left,
another reason I wore them.
left ass.
Can I grab here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. Drop your ass. Drop your ass. Oh. Turn around, Uncle Hazim. See, it's kind of real.
Oh my god. I'm in! I'm in! I'm in! I'm in a
And those are
Senna.
the fat boy seats too.
Wow, 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 wow. I just can't believe the car is mine now. The excitement, the everything. It was a little weird because we decided to go as a joke, dressed up like bondage people. I don't even know what it's called, to be honest with you. And we had such a blast. Why a lot of people are gonna ask? We just wanted to have a good time. We had this crazy plan for another release that we were gonna do with the other car that I originally had, and the plan sounded so much fun that we decided that we didn't want to let that go. So Hazem and I pretended like we were family. He was somehow my Uncle Hazim, and I had to push him around, and we pretended to speak Arabic or whatever bullshit language that I came up with. Nick was so kind. Everyone at the dealership putting up with our shit. Just imagine seeing these people walking in there, and obviously we gave him a warning. We didn't want him to be caught off guard and also call the cops on us. But it was a crazy experience. This is the one car that I've always wanted to have. I know the Senna just came out, but it's part of the Ultimate series of McLaren. That means it's completely related, brothers, sisters, with the McLaren F1, with the P1, which, by the way, I had a chance of buying a P1 in this whole process, and that's the car that you all know that I love and adore. And it was a dream of mine to be able to see it and go, okay, I have the chance of getting a P1 or this Senna right here. And I ended up getting the Senna because the reason why is once we showed up to the dealer and they had a Senna parked next to the P1 became invisible. So it's been a really, really interesting process. It's been amazing. I don't care about the cost. I don't care about paying the over. Just the freedom that it gives you, the ability to do whatever you want with the car without worrying about what brands are gonna say, or it goes off brand, or getting a fucking annoying phone call from someone that works at whatever car company. Just pay the over, be happy. Guys, I have my own fucking Senna. That's right.